Food and Beverage Expo.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sumit. We are representing Russell Khema Economic Zone here in Chennai Expo, F&B Expo. If you're looking to set up a business in the UAE, please get in touch with our team in Mumbai office, and we'll help you through the business setup as well as the residence visa. So we participated in this event because Chennai has a lot of potentials, a lot of businessmen in F&B field who are looking to broaden their wings outside the country as well. So Rakesh is one-way portal. Easiest setup process, residence visa, everything is done online. The process is seamless. So please feel free to get in touch with our team in Mumbai if you're looking to set up business in the UAE.
Food and Beverage Expo.